Hello and congratulations for taking the decision to improve your sound environment today. Improving your soundscape, or also called room acoustics, may not sound so urgent to you now, but only in a minute you will understand why it is so important to take care of the soundscape in your space. So let's get straight to the point and tell you that when a room is too reverberant or echoing, this means that the sound is bouncing between the walls and surfaces and it is attacking your brain through your ears many more times than actually needed. Meaning that even if you don't actively listen, your brain is still being triggered, resulting in you feeling tired, irritated, annoyed and angry. Every sound like speech, barking, music or traffic that comes to your room is then multiplied by bouncing between your walls, floor and furniture, resulting in a noisier room, only because it has no acoustic surfaces. It is astonishing and so logical, but so few people actually get to understand the real problem that such a space causes. Explained easily, a bad acoustic environment causes extreme brain activity. Have you ever considered closing your ears to stop hearing? Wait, what? Exactly. If you want to stop hearing noise, you cannot just close your ears. You can use earplugs, but if you have ever tried that, you will know that this is not a permanent solution. If you want to actually reduce the noise and echo in the room, you need to introduce acoustical surfaces to it like Acer, Circulo and Wavo. Placing panels on the walls will actually catch the bouncing sound and reduce the waves that attack your brain, leading to stress and annoyance. As you increase the acoustically treated area, you increase the catch area and make your room calming, soft and healthier for you. So to this point, you already have a basic understanding of how bad acoustics affect you. On the long run, good acoustics can improve your overall health, sense of calmness, productivity and sleep. Good acoustics is a solid investment in your health, mental well-being, productivity, and also in the value of your property.